Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanya M if you're new here. We do wig reviews and mainly synthetic wig reviews. So if you're into that, you're looking for a cheap or affordable stay, hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. If you want to see what unit this is, you can go ahead to my last video. The link will be in the description box, okay? So today I'm going to do a T-part wig. I'm doing, this is a full cap T-part, and now I'm be doing a lace frontal, synthetic lace frontal after this one. But let me go ahead and get into what wig I'm doing review on today. This is a wig that came out in the summer by Sensational as part of their Butter Lace line, or Butter Lace. And it is Ocean Wave 30-inch HD lace, of course. And I got her in the color Balyage Mocha. So let me show you the color real quick. Y'all know how I feel about, this is a Balyage Mocha. It's so pretty. Y'all know how I feel about Sensational Butter Lace line. Very gorgeous. Hairline is flawless. Comes with the baby hairs. The hair, I wonder if this one is, yeah, this one is also, it's human hair and premium fiber blend. So it's very soft and silky. And see, it says ear to ear. That's the only thing I'm not really 100% liking about butter lace, is because it says it's ear to ear, but it's not completely ear to ear. I feel like sometimes the lace stops right above my ear, but we'll work with it because, you know, like, it's okay. We can still work with it. It's a T-part unit. Sometimes I want my T-parts to look like frontals instead of just buying an actual frontal, you know. But yeah, let me go ahead and get into the cap construction. So this is how she looks on the inside. The lace is like a really light brown. So I don't know, like, if you are not tan, like if you are our Caucasian friends, you know, might not match your skin, so it might be a little bit too dark, but you can always mask it with foundation. It comes with 2 small combs behind the ears, well, on the side of the head, a comb in the back, and of course the adjustable straps. And yeah, so this is the hairline. Let me show you the hairline. I will be plucking. It is nice, but of course I will be plucking. That part is impeccable, I will say that. So let me go ahead and apply her so you can see what she looks on right out the box. So I have not adjusted the straps, so it's a little, definitely big head friendly. I can feel my ears getting pushed down by the cap, but we'll work with it. So she is long. I love the color. Let me show you the hairline. Well, this is a baby hair. It looks okay for a T-part unit. I will be going in just do a little bit extra plucking, but this feels so soft, and I can already tell it's pretty as hell. I can already tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck her. I actually will be installing her on I actually will be installing her on YouTube this time, because I feel like I'm gonna try to switch it up a little bit. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck her and come right back. Okay, so I went ahead and adjusted the straps to my liking, and just gonna throw her on, make sure she's centered. See how I plucked her? It looks so much like more realistic. I'm going to split it up this way because this is in my eye. Okay. You do want to pin her back of like excess. See how it's like, I want it to like lay flush. Oh God, I hope I can do this on the camera. Okay. So yeah. So it can lay like right behind my ear without the lace. It's still like, see what I'm talking about with the Sensational? See how the lace kind of like goes back this way instead of going down? like my hairline goes down. So I'm gonna have to leave some extra lace on just to keep my natural hair from showing. So I'm not gonna glue this unit down because it's a T part, and I will be I will be applying another unit today because it's a frontal, and I usually keep my frontals on way longer than my T part unit. So for today's install, I'm gonna be using the Avon Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray, and this is in the black can, which is a Supreme hold. It's the best hold. Put this unit back. I'm just gonna spray on the hairline. Oh, what I got in my ear. Be careful with the spray. I'm gonna take my blow dry on cool high. There's different ways that I apply my T-part. Sometimes I'll cut the lace off first. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. And then I'm going to put this elastic band really tight. This is from my personal company, legit company, 1111 Beauty. I sell lashes, wigs. Link will be in the bio so you can follow me. I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry a little bit more. And you can let it sit for like maybe 5 more minutes. And I'm going to come back and cut the lace off. Okay, so I'm just going to use this comb, well, this razor comb. Well, I don't know what it's called. It's for your eyebrow razor. And I actually saw this on TikTok. It's like a way to, you supposed to, because the last time I used this to cut my lace, like I cut some of my skin. It's really bad. So I saw that you're like not supposed to like cut with it, but just like lay it on the lace. Not the hair, the lace, and just pull up. Like that. Because I'm trying to also keep it from like cutting where I need to cover, which is on my sideburns. All right, so let me cut this side off and then we can go back and I'll show you how to fix this. You see how it's coming up? That means like some of the spray didn't get all the way on the edge. It's fine. Totally fine. I'm actually, I love the smell of Pump It Up spray. I'm actually going to take some Pump It Up spray and put it on the edge. Like that. And then you're going to take your blow dryer on cool again and high and just let it dry. I didn't show y'all, but I just basically applied this like this to the edges. And just gonna take my hot, don't burn yourself like I just did. Take a hot comb and press it up like so. Okay. God damn. Y'all, I keep burning myself. Like, what? And I was gonna, so that spray actually worked well. I don't feel like I need to add any, like any more tint to it, like a bronzer or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush her out. So I always brush my wig out for the most part, unless they're like the really curly wigs. Because, man, come on. You walking around with some stiff wigs, and they only stiff because y'all not brushing them out. Like, come on. Synthetica be acting like real human hair. You just gotta really know what to do, okay? Especially when I be telling people how to thin their wigs out. Like, that's really honestly the key to these thicker wigs. Like the like Outre L'Oreal or L'Oreal. Oh my god, it's one of my favorite wigs. Sensational Solana. Very, very pretty, but they're too thick. Thin them out, and they'll be flowing like real hair. They won't tangle no more. They won't get ratty because they're not tangling. Like, y'all, trust and believe me. These T-part wigs, I don't really do that with the T-part wigs because I've only wear them a few times. But so yeah, this is the Miss Ocean Wave 30-inch in the Balyage Mocha. This is such a pretty color. Hold on, let me smooth this out a bit. So get all the frizzies. So what y'all think? This is such a cute color, and style. Great. It was great. I have bought it during the summertime. Great during the summertime, but I took too long to wear it. But it still look cute. Like it's okay. I didn't need it during the summertime because it's still, I can still rock it now. So like I said, I can't gauge the shedding because your girl be plucking and pulling and whatnot. So I can't really gauge the shedding. But she's super cute. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Head over to Instagram and Twitter. I'll be posting pictures and taking videos on TikTok videos, reels, whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Have a blessed one, guys. Bye.